What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney.
When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Every day you talk down pound man, like you never born from one, like you never have a mother, like you never know love. Your mouth too loud, full of dirt and pride. Chat bad bout woman like your heart right. Laugh and boast but the girl them name, but inside your soul feel shame. Every word like a stone you throw, on the same womb where help you grow. Oh, you curse the queen them so. Who teach you fi behave so low? Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? Oh, you disrespect woman like that. You have a mother, you have a past, yet you treat every daughter like trash. Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? You know see the crown pon her head. Without a woman, you wouldn't stand. Without her strength, you wouldn't breathe. Studio hype and empty flex. Brag about money, brag about sex. Tell the world how rich you be, but poverty live inside your spirit deep. You tell lie about house and car, flash fake chains in a dancehall bar. Talk big numbers, talk big game, but truth and none you never claim. A real king, not tear down queen. Real strength, not loud and mean. Respect start in the home. If you hate woman, you hate your own. Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? How you shame the name she bear? She carry life through blood and pain, and you reward her with despair. Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? Every sister deserve respect. Every mother deserve her place, not public shame and cheap neglect. Check your heart before you speak. But when I mean you must be weak. Every girl you mark today was somebody, baby, yesterday. Look in a mirror, face the truth. Disrespect is not the proof of strength or fame or being a star. It shows how small you really are. You glorify conquest like trophy self. Expose private life, it boots yourself. But real man protect, real man guard, real man love without facade. Money fade and hype cool down. Character decide your crown. History judge every sound. Every cruel word you fling around. Remember this when I get still. When silence louder than you will, I'm gonna pray for every son. But shame, follow what he become. Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? Respect woman, respect your roots. She is the river, she is the truth, she is the future and the youth. Who raised you? Tell me who raised you? Stop the lie and drop the act. Honor the queens in the land and lift the standard back. Every man born from a woman. So how you find the source of life? Respect begin where you come from.